there's a metal shields for the machine guns, a mountain of sand, and a bunch of other stuff to stop the cannons. He still has the tall wall for the projectiles and the soaked mattresses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody stop! Time is up.
I think this has all been a bad dream.
No, this is real life. Even though it's my job to destroy your yacht, I genuinely hope you win this thing.
Ever since I was a little kid, I always wanted a boat like this. I just got to get through this final phase and we're home free.
When you think about it, 100 hours ago, there was just a boat. And now, there's all of this. I don't know how you did it. You nervous?
No.
That makes literally no sense whatsoever. This final phase may just be your worst nightmare. Ready your weapons!